Automotive safety depends on many factors, from advanced braking systems to precise steering control. One critical but often overlooked component is the bearing assembly, which plays a key role in stability, handling, and overall vehicle performance. Bearing assemblies reduce friction between moving parts, allowing wheels to rotate smoothly while supporting the vehicle's weight. These components must withstand constant forces from acceleration, braking, and road conditions, all while maintaining structural integrity. In wheel hubs, high-quality bearings enhance control by ensuring precise wheel alignment. If a bearing wears out or fails, it can lead to uneven tire wear, vibrations, noise, and even the risk of wheel detachment. This makes the use of durable materials essential. Bearings are engineered to exact tolerances using advanced metallurgy and heat treatment processes. Corrosion-resistant materials and protective seals help prevent contamination from water, dirt, and debris, extending their operational life. Beyond wheels, bearing assemblies are found in transmissions, differentials, and suspension systems. In these applications, they help distribute loads efficiently, reduce mechanical wear, and contribute to smooth performance under varying conditions. Warning signs of a failing bearing include grinding noises, steering instability, and increased rolling resistance. Addressing these issues early can prevent costly repairs and enhance driver safety. However, the best way to ensure safety and low overall cost is for manufacturers to install quality bearings before the car ever leaves the factory. For more information, you can visit our website, hartfordtechnologies.com. Thanks for watching.